Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. First, we understand the working principle of the electrostatic precipitator. An electrostatic precipitator, ESP, is a dust collecting device that removes particles from a gas stream by using electrical energy to charge particles. A high voltage system provides power to the discharge electrode to generate an electrical field. The particulate, entrained in the gas, is charged while passing through the electrical field. The particulate is then attracted to the grounded collector plate and forms a dust layer on the plate. Today, we are going to understand the below topics. First topic: purpose of the support insulator. Second topic: support insulator made of. Third topic: what are the causes for support insulators damaged easily? Fourth topic: damaged insulator pictures. Fifth topic: different types of the ESP insulator. Next, we understand the purpose of the support insulator. Point number 1. ESP support insulators are used for the suspension of the collecting electrodes and to provide insulation to the ESP housing. The ESP housing is insulated with conical or cylindrical support insulators. Wrapper insulators are used to remove the accumulated dust on the discharge electrodes by hammer, tumbling, wrapping or MIGI wrapping ESP into the hopper. The wrapper insulators provide insulation to the wrapping motor. Point number 2. They are specially designed so that they can back the load of the electrodes.
Next, we understand the support insulator made of which materials. Point number 1. These insulators are made of a special ceramic material. Point number 2. Most of the support insulators are made from porcelain and high alumina. It usually contains 50% alumina content and is typically made with a glazed surface in order to reduce the deposits of dirt and dust. Next, we understand what are causes for support insulator damaged easily in the electrostatic precipitator. One of the main causes is the misalignment of discharge electrodes, hanging beam or frame, and uneven loading. Point number 1. The installation and alignment of the discharge electrodes, supporting beam and its discharge electrode parts are critical activities in the ESP. It should be properly installed and aligned with the temporary arrangement, and after that load transferred to the support insulator in even loading. Point number 2. The picture shows a properly aligned and even loaded support insulator. Next, we understand what are causes for support insulator damaged easily in the electrostatic precipitator. Point number 2. Another one of the main causes is exceeding the maximum voltage kV. Recommended maximum voltage is 90 to 150 kV. Point number 3. Another one of the main causes is exceeding the maximum operating temperature. Recommended temperature is 120 C, approximately 400 C. Point number 4. Another one of the main causes is electrical shock, sparks or arcs due to dust accumulation or moisture. Point number 5. Another one of the main causes is thermal shock. Improper thermal expansion allows the insulator to crack, caused by thermal shock. Next, we understand the different types of ESP insulators. There are different types of ESP insulators that can be found in the market. First one, conical support type insulator. Next, the second, pin insulator. Next, third, post insulator. Next, fourth, cylindrical support insulator. Next, fifth, shaft insulator. Next, sixth, wall through bushing insulator. Next, we understand the support insulator damaged photos for better understanding. Please refer to the photos insulator surface cracks and insulator damaged photos. Those insulators need to be replaced immediately. Next, we understand the support insulator damaged photos for better understanding. Please refer to the photos insulator surface cracks and insulator damaged photos. Those insulators need to be replaced immediately. I hope all understand the purpose of the support insulator. The support insulator made of which materials, and the causes for support insulators damaged easily. Damaged insulator pictures for understanding. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.